It's actually in 2009. So most welcome Banerjee. Over the mic to you, Venerable Dr. Medagoda Abhyadisha.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Dear Professor KTS Sarao, dear all scholars, including Dr. Aravind Singh and Tik Tong Tak, thank you very much to organizers for inviting me to this remarkable and important webinar. It is my privilege to join this conference. Actually, I consider India, especially Delhi University, as my second home. The University of Gautama Buddha awakens lovely memories related to the period of my Indian education. First of all, I salute the eminent scholars like Professor K.T.S. Sarao and other erudite professors who involved in this special scholarly conference. Wishing peace to the all victims of COVID-19, I start my talk. As Professor Sarao stated, it is my suggestion that man's mistakes have started to punish mankind. Yadisang vapate bijang tadisang harate phalang. As the seed, so the fruit. However, a person do something good, receives good. Whoever the person does bad, receives bad. Coronavirus is also one sorrowful result of human faults. Now it has become the largest challenge of mankind in this era. What is the solution of Buddhism in this regard? Can we face this challenge by following Westerners' instructions? Not at all. We can only find solutions to the Eastern problems from the East. Cultural identity of East or cultural value and norms, what we got as our heritage only can help us in such kind of problems. We assign, actually, we know as Asians we have to give the solutions our problems with following our ancestors. People who were addicted to overconsumption suffered with COVID-19 mostly. Corona didn't give that much impact on the simple and humble villages. The village was not really locked down. In Sri Lanka, sometime they also seems to be enjoying the break of Corona. However, the pandemic has refreshed the environment and good qualities of the mankind. Sri Lanka is one of the best countries in the world which faced successfully to Corona challenge. There are around 2,000 virus affected persons and 11 deaths. But I know Corona is not a contest. We cannot find good countries and bad countries because according to the situation of the country and the weather, there are a lot of reasons to increase death numbers. However, 95 recovered in Sri Lanka, 95% recovered in Sri Lanka and went back home. We need to find how this country faced so nicely to it. What was the strength? I like to explain it under 5 headings. First one is culture. We have not used to hug or shake hands of the guest. We practice to say Ayubovan or Namaste which wishes long life and veneration. And also, quarantine is a typical practice in Sri Lanka in contagious disease like mumps, chickenpox, etc. With influence of Buddhist Vinaya, we do not talk when we eat and prepare a meal. Sometimes we used to clean our public places with turmeric. I think India also that practice you have in India. The government fulfilled, the second thing, the government fulfilled its duty properly. Sri Lankan government is forced to work in Buddhist principles for millennia. They believe their duty is to protect the people in all the time. So Sri Lankan government gave its first priority to the health. They did not consider whether people happy or unhappy for the steps, but they, in most of the countries, patients had to go to the hospitals when they affected corona. In Sri Lanka, it is totally different. The officers of the health came to the house, information of intelligence sector, and actually look after them, and they took to the hospital. The president did not pass the responsibility to the health department. Army, Navy, Air Force, police, and government service started their work as a combined operation. They sacrificed their family, time, happiness, and life for the betterment of the others. They believed it is as a bodhisattva paramita, parattang patipajjata. According to Buddhism, parattha, working for the others, is a bodhisattva paramita. The people, thirdly, obeyed the order of the government. Swachata. Whether they are not used to stay in their homes, they tolerated it. Media also completed their national duty very well in this regard. The fourth thing is content and might of the people. Nature of the man is unsatisfaction. As our scholars said, the man is atitto tanhadaso. He cannot be satisfied easily. However, Sri Lankans, with the influence of Buddhist teachings, actually that Buddhist influence of the teachings we get from 2,400 years. They have simple life, santussakocha subharocha, and also easy to satisfy with what they received. And also there was important thing, matta sukha parichaga passete vipulang sukha. We have to sacrifice small things to gain large things. Then they thought, yes, I sacrifice my time and I stay in my home. I don't go out for other things. Then they sacrifice, but they got a very good reward. The fifth thing is Sri Lanka has an ancient hospital system. Free health system in Sri Lanka is a heritage which persisted with the struggle of the people. It comes for the thousands of years. Whether it has become, okay, actually now it has been by the Western medical system. But that
तुमच्या भांड्याचा आवाज तिकडे जातोय, मला 2 वेळेसला फोन आले.
And also the loving kindness, metta, and compassion, karuna, still alive in our people. Then we were able to get rid of this big problem of coronavirus. There are more details to say.
हो, हे केलं तरी 2 मिनिटांनी परत चालू होतं.
Time limitation. I will conclude the speech thanking all of the participants and organizers of the conference of Gautama Buddha University, especially my friend Dr. Arvind Singh. And here I conclude. My conclusion is we have to find solution for our problems from our Eastern philosophies like Buddhism. Sabbe satta bhavantu sukhitatta. May all be well and happy. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much,